Hello. Hi, Gio. This video is gonna be for you. Well, I remember that I talked to you like 2 days ago and I told you that I stopped learning Korean, but I won't. I'll keep going. Yeah, this video, well, this is my YouTube channel, but most of my videos are in Spanish because my audience is for Spanish speakers. But like, I'll try to make more videos in English because I have lots of friends that speak English and they're like, but I don't understand what you're saying. I support your channel, but I don't get what you say. Like, okay, so this video is gonna be just to show you and to think. I want to show my gratitude for giving me these books. This has been my favorite. This has been the craziest one. Like, for people that don't know what this book is about, it's about a guy and a witch. So here we have this man, this old man, haraboti, like an old man, and there is a witch. So there's what the witch comes with a spell, and she throws that, like, I don't know, she has this bottle with a spell, right? And she pours it all over in a town and makes everyone crazy. But all of them are crazy, but they're sleeping and they're doing crazy stuff, but they don't know that they're doing it until the spell finishes. It's really good. I'm sick right now, but I'll try my best. So this is how it's gonna be. I will read the beginning and the end, okay? I will read like the first 2 pages and the last 2 pages. And your job is to, like, we're gonna compare AI with you, okay? You're a native Korean speaker and the computer is not a native Korean speaker. Okay, let's change it. So I will read it to the tablet and let's see what it understands. And you're gonna listen to me reading, and you're gonna tell me, okay, your pronunciation is good and AI was wrong, okay? Okay, let's start. 잠결에 엉뚱한 짓 하면. So I have the title already. Let's go with the first paragraph. 너와 할아버지는 하얀 턱수염을 휘날리며. I'm nervous. No, let's try it again. It's just that my Korean, the thing that in Korean that upsets me the most is my pronunciation in Korean. This is imperfect. My Korean sessions are called imperfect because I don't expect to study like a perfect person. I don't see perfect. It's like 5:30 a.m. so you can tell I study at this time usually. 너와 할아버지는 하얀 턱수염을 휘날리며 밤 하늘을 날아다닙니다. Period. I don't know how to say period in Korean. Well, I used to know, but I forgot. 자다 일어나 엉뚱한 짓을 하는 사람들을 쫓아내서 침대로 다시 데려다 주는 것이 너와 할아버지의 일이에요. 오늘 밤에도 너와 할아버지는 바쁠 것 같습니다. It says 바쁜. No, it's just that one is difficult. 바쁜. Difficult. Okay, let's go with the last one. The last page. Okay. It says 마법의 가루 같은 병이 통통 비었으니 얼마 동안은 kumsana이가 나타나지 않을 거야. I don't know how to read the possessive. 어디 한잠 자 볼까? It's just that it's 5:30. I don't want to wake up everyone. 자볼까? 볼까? 마을에서 좀 떨어진 언덕 위 구름 속에서 노아 할아버지가 잠이 든 것은 아침 9시간 훨씬 지나서였어요. Nope. It's 아침 9시가 훨씬 지나서였어요. You see, there is a different word here, but I cannot get it right. So let's go with the last sentence. 착한 새들이 노아 할아버지를 위해 자장가를 불러 주었답니다. 불러. Well, I hope you understood at least like 20% of it. Thank you for watching and thank you for taking care of me always. Bye bye.